Alright, we're here at the PA Farm Show Complex at Expo Center here in Harrisburg. This is the elevator that goes out to the Crossroads Conference Center here in a small arena in the main hall. That was very quick. 0 2. Click on the one, door close does not work. Get a cab view. Just like every other elevator in this building or this expo center, very basic elevator, nothing really exciting. Other than just being a Schindler MT with VR, you don't see these buttons every day. It's got a phone, this is elevator number 8. Capacity 5,000 pounds, and there's your floor indicator. And here are at 1. Poinsettias and some wool.
You go up the spine,
and that's it.